Hello, in front of me I have Honor Band 6 and I'm gonna show you how to install additional watch faces on this device. To install additional watch faces we need to open the Huawei Health App on our phone. In the app we need to tap on devices right here at the bottom. Select our Honor Band 6 from the list of devices. And here we have the watch faces category. Let's tap on more. And right here we have list of recommended watch faces. Basically, we can scroll down through the list. As you can see, there's quite few. Find the watch face you like to use. For example, maybe this one, Spacewalks. You can tap on install button right here below it, or you can tap on the watch face itself to get some more information about it. And then tap install button to install the watch face. And after the watch face is done installing, it's gonna be applied on your band. You can also, like I said before, install the watch faces by tapping the install button below, like the previews right here, like that. And once you're done installing your watch faces, you can also go to Mine category. Right here at the top you can tap on Mine to go to this category. And here you have list of watch faces installed on your device. And as you can see here we have the ones we installed, and you can switch between them by tapping on one and tapping on set as default, like that. You can also remove the watch faces you installed by tapping on one, and you have the trash bin icon right here. You can tap on it and then tap confirm to remove the watch face from your band, like that. And you can also tap on this edit button right here and simply tap on the X and then tap confirm to remove the watch face, like this. And once you're done, simply tap on the check mark to confirm. And that's how you install additional watch faces on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.